Who'd have thought it, Aaron? Seems like yesterday I was hiding in the bulrushes minding Moses in the basket, while it floated down the river.
Well, if you look at him now, you'd never guess he was found by a princess. Grew up in the palace until he made a mess of things, and ran away to be a shepherd in the desert. Who'd have thought God would bring Moses back to the palace?
If only Pharaoh had listened to God's first warning when Moses told him to let the people of Israel go, there wouldn't have been all those terrible plagues. His son didn't need to die.
All the thousands of other firstborn children that died needlessly too.
But that's what it took for him to let us go. And now we've been travelling for most of a week with these 2 million people. Can you believe it? We're finally free!
Freedom is coming. Freedom, freedom is coming. Freedom is coming. Freedom, freedom is coming. Freedom is coming. Yes, it is. Freedom, freedom is on its way. Freedom, freedom is on its way.
Moses, don't mean to interfere or be critical, but had you noticed there seems to be a large sea in front of us? I mean, I know you're good in water, but I personally can't swim. I'm not sure if these guys can either.
And also, don't look now, but that cloud of dust on the horizon with shiny metallic bits in it has been confirmed to be the Egyptian army.
Pharaoh's changed his mind. He's coming after us. Moses, what are we going to do?
I think he's already on the case. He's praying.
Help! What do we do now? We've got a massive sea in front of us, and I've just heard Pharaoh changed his mind again. He's coming after us with his army.
Why are you crying out to me, Moses? Time to move on. Raise your stick and hold out your hand over the sea, and the Israelites will cross on dry land. The Egyptians won't give up easily, but I will show them who's boss.
Freedom is coming. Freedom, freedom is coming. Freedom is coming. Freedom, freedom is coming. Freedom is coming. Yes, it is. Freedom, freedom is on its way. Freedom, freedom is on its way. Freedom is coming. Freedom, freedom is coming. Freedom is coming. Freedom, freedom is coming. Freedom is coming. Yes, it is. Freedom, freedom is on its way. Freedom, freedom is on its way. Freedom is coming. Freedom, freedom is coming. Freedom is coming.
You've got no chance.
No!